It's been a while since I've last posted on this channel, and I apologize for that. But this is because I've been having a really busy last few weeks. One of them was working on my project car. Remember it? The video I posted a few months ago about the Suzuki Samurai I bought? Well, the project is going very smoothly, but not as fast as I would like, because the parts of the car are really hard to find. But I had a little bit of luck. I did manage to get my hands on a new transmission and a new transfer case. Other parts that need to be replaced are the carburetor, the radiator, and the water pump. When those parts are replaced, then I think my car will be a-okay for the trip through South America. I don't think I'll give my car a new paint job because I have a budget around $1,500 I would like to spend on the car, and so far I've spent around $900. That leaves me with just $700. Now I'm starting to think that traveling through South America using local transportation would be a lot cheaper, but I don't know if it would be more fun to travel with the local transportation or with your own car. Road tripping through a continent has been a boy dream of mine since I was young, and next year I'll finally be able to do it. So I have some big traveling plans for this channel next year once the border opens up. And if you would like to see these adventures, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.